To set up alarm clock on Poco C85, just open the clock application, and now we have to accept all of those incoming permissions. And you can already use the default created preset. When you tap on it, you will get this menu where you can set a time of your alarm. And below, some settings, like for example, you can change a ringtone. So you'll be redirected to the theme store and you can select the default ringtones or the custom one. Here we can also set repeat. Let's say that I want to get once. And below we can also turn on and off the vibrations, and also we can enable that option to delete alarm after it goes off. And there's the label that we can create. Click here to confirm. Click here on the right upper corner to confirm again. And you can for sure create a multiple alarms. So if you want to get like 10 or 15, you can do this for sure. And you can turn them on and off by clicking on switchers.